Good morning, all students. Respected principal, sir, and staff members, and all students. You all are aware about the campaign which is going on in our school. The campaign related with the Birsa Munda Jayanti. The campaign was started from 8th November, and today, 26th November, is the last day of the campaign. And on 15th November, we celebrated Birsa Munda Jayanti in a grand level. During this campaign, we had many activities like competition and workshop and other programs also. And we had competition like folk dance competition, Vaishnavi from 9th class. The prize. Next. Extend my heartfelt gratitude to all teachers and students for making this campaign a successful one. I hope that this campaign has helped us to understand and to become aware about the value and struggles of Birsa Munda. Thank you all.